First question, what is given? Car is related to garage. In the same way, what is related to hangar? What is the answer? Aeroplane. So garage is the place where we keep our car. Yes or no? In the same way, hangar is the place where we keep the aeroplanes. And where we keep the ship, that place is known as dockyard. Known as dockyard. And bus, depot or terminus. Depot or terminus. And train is known as car shed. What? Car shed. And now, so first one, what is the answer? A. Second question. So governor is related to whom? As president related to country. So it is the governor is related to what? State. So answer is state. Answer is state. So option is C. Now third one. Brain is called what? Neurologist. Okay. Okay, the specialist of heart is cardiologist, specialist of brain or nerves is neurologist. And who is called ophthalmologist? Specialist in eye. Specialist in treating eye is ophthalmologist. Who is called gynecologist? Specialist in health of reproductive system. Reproductive system is known as gynecologist. Who is called nephrologist? Specialist in treatment of kidneys. Treatment of kidneys is called as nephrologist. Okay. Now, so what is the answer for question number 3? B. The question number 4. GEFH. GFEH is as RQPS. Okay. Then LKJM is as which of the following? Please tell me here. What is the answer? What is the So what is the observation here? The observation, if you see, EFG from third letter to first letter, they are in the increasing order. Third to first. EFG. After that, you are getting H. Yes or no? Similarly, PQR. Yes. Now JKLM. Like that, what is the one you have? Tell me. Which one? MNO. JHI. So you have MNO. After that, the fourth letter is +1 to the first letter. So the answer is option D. MNO. The fourth letter would be +1 to the first letter. Okay, so answer is option D. Option D. So it is MNOP. Okay, next. What is the answer for fifth question? CEI. Tell me. CEIM is as DGLQ. Then which is related to FGIO. If you see here, C is +1, E is +2. Yes or no? C +1 is D, E +2, C +1 is D, E +2 is G, I +3 is L, and M plus how much? 5. Yes or no? So here I is 9, L is 12. Now similarly the same relation, F +1 what? G. Yes or no? So G +2 how much? I. So what is the option you have with GI? Only one option, GILS. Only one option is there with starting GI. So the answer is GILS. GILS. Now sixth question. See here, HJK. HJK is as HIJK, right? HIJK is as GFED. Then NOPQ is as which one? So please observe here, HIJK. HIJK consecutive or not? H has become G. I has become F. Are you following or not? So what is the pattern you observe here? What happened? -1, -2, -1, -3, -5, -7. So H is 8. 8 minus 1, 7. I is 9. 9 minus 3, 6. J is 10. 10 minus 5. K is 11. 11 minus 7. So -1, -3, -5, -7. So what will you get? 9 minus 1, how much? 9 minus 1, M na? M. Then after that, O minus 3, how much you'll get? L. Yes or no? Yes or no? O is 15 and then P is 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 16 minus 7 is 9. You don't have that now. You have 9 here. Sorry. 16 minus 5, how much? 11. 11 means K. MLK, do you have the option? So answer is MLKJ. MLKJ. Have you got the answer or not? -1, -3, -5, -7. So answer is MLKJ. Now next one. Please see next one. 235 is written as 587. Then what is the code for 435? What is the answer? Tell me what is the logic? See, 235 is written as 587. Then what is the code for 4? How do you write 435 as? What is the logic here? Tell me. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. Similarly, 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. So what is the answer? 789. 789 is the answer. Good. Now question number 8. Question number 8. 17 is as 102. Then what is the, how is 23 written? 17 6 102. 17 6 102. 23 6 138. So answer is 138. Simply into 6 times. Into 6 times is the relation. Next, 9th one. 4 is as 36. 4 is as 36. Then which is as 49. So 4 is 6 square. 4 is 6 square. So it is 7 square means it has to be how much? 5 or not? 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 4 is 6 square. So 5 is 7 square. So this blank must be 5. Blank must be what? 5. So answer is 5. Answer is 5. Now next. Question number 10 and 11. 9th one, see, a number is related to a perfect square. A perfect square is how much? 6 square. 6 is how much more than 4? 2. So 4, 6 square. Similarly, it is 7 square. 7 square means this has to be 2 less. 7 minus 2 is 5. So answer is 5 here. Now question number 11. Find out the odd pair. crayon, chart, pencil, lead, pen, ink, brush, paint. Which is the odd one here? First one is the odd one here because chart is the paper. Chart is the paper on which one can draw with the help of crayon. Yes or no? So this is odd one. Next, Rin, Hammam, Synthol, and Pierce. You? These three are beauty soaps. It is used to wash clothes. So it is different. It is also asked once. See how funny questions are asked. So you can enjoy in the exam. Now, question number 12. Find the odd letter. Question CAP, RFD, TIW, PET. So which is the odd one here? Which one? RFD. वो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा क्या? क्या 10th one? We are answering 10th and 11th are over, right? Now question number 12. Follow. CAP is one, and the second is RFD. Third is TIW, and fourth is PET, right? So out of these, which is odd one? C is how much? 3. 1 is 4. 3 plus 1, 4. And it is 16. So 3 plus 1 plus 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 16, 20. Okay. And if I add all the letters, 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 20 plus 1, 21 plus 23, 44. 16 plus 5, 21 plus 20, 41. Now tell me which is different. PET is different because the sum of all the alphabets in these three is even. Okay. Whereas it is different. So PET is different. Okay. Now 13th one. Okay. So which is MLKA, STUA, HGFA, RQPA. So out of these 4, which is different? Find the odd one. Tell me. Option B. Why? Because if you see here, in option A, in option C, in option D, they are completely in the decreasing order. Yes or no? Option A, in option C, in option D, they are in the decreasing order. But here they are in not completely decreasing, not completely increasing. You have S, T, U. After that you got A. So this is different. This is different. The remaining 3 patterns, 13th one, option A, option C, option D are following decreasing pattern. Decreasing pattern, whereas option B is not following that. So option B is different. Option B is different. Okay. Now next. Question number 14. I is 9. I is 9. M is how much? 12. M is 13. M is 13. So 9, 13. Difference 4. Then M, Q. 13, 17. Difference 4. Q, U. Difference 4. So there is a difference of 4 between 2 consecutive terms. What about LORU? 12, 15. Here we have 3. WZ 3. AD 3. So which is different? First option. In the first option, you have difference of 4. Difference of 4 between 2 consecutive letters. Whereas in option B, C, and D, the difference between 2 consecutive letters is 3. So these 3 are similar. Option A is different. So option A is the answer. Now question number 15. Question number 15. Find the odd number. Find the odd number. Odd number means here not even odd. Find which is different. Find the different one in the group. In these four numbers, which is different? Tell me. Out of four numbers, which is different? B. Why? You are saying it is divisible by 2. These are not divisible by 2. Okay. But what is the common characteristic in the 3? So please see here 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. So 27 is the sum here. And 7 plus 4, 11 plus 2, 13 plus 9, 22 plus 5, 27 plus 6, 33. Next, third one, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 6, 15 plus 6, 21. So what is the sum here? So what is the answer? Please tell me. Do you find any logic here? 8 plus 7 plus 6 is 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. So in option A, option C and option D, the sum is 27 if you add all the letters. Whereas option B, sum is not 27. So it is different. Now question number 16. Question number 16. Question number 16. Find out the odd number pair. So find out the odd number pair, which is the different here. So if you see here, 3 cube, 27 5 is 135. 27 5 is 135. 54 4 is 216. 61 4 is 244. 24 4 is 96. So in option B, option C, option D, one number is 4 times the other. Whereas option A, one number is 5 times the other. So option A is different. Option A is different. Now question number 17. Find out the odd number pair. 34, 43, 12, 21, 56, 65. In these three, the difference is 9. 45, 45, the difference is not 9. So it is the odd one. So option D is correct. Next, question number 18. Crane, hummingbird, sparrow, and kingfisher. Which is different here? Crane? Crane is the odd one, okay? Crane is the odd one. Next. Now please see here. Question number 9. Now 19, 20, 21. These are very easiest questions. You have to just arrange them in the alphabetical order as per dictionary. So plate, plane, plaster, plasma, plastic. So what will come first? What will come first? PLAN. Okay, you have NST. Yes. Yes or no? First you will get 2. So with 2 you have 3 options. After 2 do you get 4 or 4, 5 or 1? Which one you are going to get? After plane, PLANE, you are going to get PLASMA, plasma. PLAS. Out of these, after S you have M here. After S you have T here. After S you have T here. So before going to T, you have to cross M. So 2, 4 has to come. 2, 4 where you have option B. You need not check with all the things. Just after completion of second one, we have got the answer. So answer is option B. Similarly, C. Question number 20. Question number 20. Intervention, intervene, interview, intervene. So what is the order here? Alphabetically. So up to INTR, there is no change. Yes or no? Before going to V, you are going to get T or not. So first you are going to get 2. So it can be option C or option D. So are you following or not? It can be option C or option D. So do you get 4 first or 3 first? So after INTER, do you get V first or V is there? I first or E first? E first. So 4 first. So 2, 4 first. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. Next. SMOULDER. So please answer this. Which is going to come first? SM is there everywhere. SMO first or SMU first? SMO first. Yes or no? SMO first. Is it 1 or 2? Is it 1 or 2? SMO is there first and second. So SMO after U is there, after T is there. U comes later. So first is what you're going to get? 2. First 2 is there in only one option. First 2 is there only in one option. So answer is A. Answer is A. You need not check with any other thing. Yes or no? Now see the 22, 23, 24, 25. So missing term XY, missing term ZXY, missing term Y, XZ, X, missing term Y. Okay, so like that you have a repeated series. So what is going to come? Please see here. What is going to come here? 22nd one. Totally how many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Am I correct? So what I can do? YX, ZX, XX, YY, no. YX. Please see here. You have to just check with the logics, check with the terms. Please see here. I am trying to explain here on whiteboard here. Please see. Please see here. You have missing term XY, missing term ZXY, missing term Y, XZX, YX, ZX, missing term ZYX, missing term XY, missing term XY. Total how many letters you have? Have you counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes or no? Now what are the options you have? What are the options you have? First option, ZXY, ZY. Second option, YZX, YX. Third option, XY, ZZY. What is the fourth option? YXZ, YZ. Okay. So please understand here what is the logic. What is the logic? You please see here. So you could see ZXY. Are you following? ZXY you could find or not? ZXY you could find. ZXY. So if you just try to keep the first option. If you please keep the first option in the blanks. Please keep the first option in the blanks. Thereby what you are going to get? Z, X, Y, Z, Y. Do you get any common logic? Z, X, Y, ZX, YX, ZX, YY. There is no common logic. So the first one cannot be the answer. Okay. And see the, like that, see second and third and fourth, second, third and fourth. Like that, see second, third and fourth. Do you get any common logic? What is the answer? 22nd one. Option D. So what is the common logic you are going to get? What? YXY? Tell me. YXY, XZX, YXY, XZX, YZY, XZX, YZY, XZX. After that, again next step. So total 19. So 18 are divided into 3. If you see each 3, in each triplet, first and third are same. And here X, Z. So if you see here YYX, XXZ, YYZ, XXZ, YYZ, XXZ. Okay. So that is the pattern. The third and first alphabets in each triplet are equal. Is it okay? Right. This is the pattern actually. You have to go through substitution and thereby you can find some logic somewhere. 23. What is the answer? B, missing term, AC, missing term, CC, missing term, CB, missing term, AB, missing term, AC. So what is the common logic you are going to get? (23). Please tell me. See here, I am keeping option C. If I keep option C, what I am going to have? A, B, B, A. Because total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what is the option? Option B is the answer. What is the common logic you got? BA? BACB, what is the relation? BACB, what is the relation? There is a relation, na? Now please see here. Here, do you find any kind of relation or not? BAA, AC, CB, BA, AC. Do you get any common relation here or not? 23rd one, BAA, BBA. Is it satisfying or not? If you see, total I have 16, na? Total I have 16. So total I have 16 means I can make it a pair of 4, 4 also, BAAC. No, I'm not getting any common logic. BAAC. BAAC, then ACCB. Please see here. BAAC, then ACCB, then CBBA, then BAAC. Are you, please observe here. Please observe here. This is the logic. BAAC you got. After that, we started with AC. Start with AC. Then after C, after BA, what you got? A. After BA, you got A. After AC, you got C. Then whatever is not there here is coming. Then after this of E, so you have to make 16 into 4 parts. Okay. So first you got BAAC. BA, then whatever second is repeated. Whatever second letter is repeated. Then whatever is not there in these three is coming. Similarly, now after BAAC, again AC is coming. Again, here the second letter is repeated. In these three, what is not there is coming. Next, in this last two is repeated. Next, again, whatever the second letter here is coming. What is not there is coming as fourth. Similarly, again, BA is coming. Again, here coming A. So same pattern or not? So the answer is option C. Option C. You have to substitute and you have to get 24. 24, what is the answer? Tell me. All are power 4s. 1 means 1 power 1, 16, 81, 256, 625, missing term. So if you see here, 1 means 1 power 4. 16 means 2 power 4. 81 means 3 power 4. 256 means 4 power 4. It is 5 power 4. So answer has to be 6 power 4, which is 1296. 1296. Next 25th question. It's a very easy question. 2, 4, 6, 8, like that, 100th term. So very easy question. What is the answer? First term is 2's first multiple. Okay. Second term is 2's second multiple. Third term is 2's third multiple. Like 100th term would be 2's 100th multiple. So 2 into 100, how much? 200 is the answer. Okay. This is also one of your previous question. Okay. This is speed test 1. Now we are going to one more speed test 2. So I want all of you to engage in answering speed test 2 also. So 25 questions now we have solved. Now next more. How many questions in this? 20 questions are there. More 20 questions are there. First C. Please answer first 5 questions. First 5 questions, 3 minutes. 5 questions, 3 minutes. First 5 questions, please do answer in 3 minutes. Speed test 2. All of you involved in answering, thereby the session will be properly fulfilled. The purpose is fulfilled. Question number 1 to 5. It is EZ, FY, GX. Next, what is the next term? What is the next term? Please tell me what is next term? E, F, G. Next, you have to get H. 26, 25, 24, 23 is W. So answer is HW. Answer is HW. Now similarly, second question. Second question, 2, 5, 10, 3, 6, 18, 4, 7, 30. Which is the wrong term in the sequence? Which is the wrong term in the sequence? It's very clear. If you see here, 2 5s are 10, 3 6s are 18, 4 7s are 28. Yes or no? So which is the wrong term here? 30 is the wrong term. Next, third one. Third question. So a person jogged 2 kilometers southwards. A person jogged 2 kilometers southwards. Southwards, how much? 2 kilometers. Okay. Then he turned right. The person who is going in the south, turning right means he's turning towards west. He's moving towards west. and walked 5 kilometers. Walked 5 kilometers. He again turned right. Whoever the guy who is moving in west direction, turning right means he is moving north. And walked and jogged 8 kilometers. Jogged 8 kilometers. Yes or no? So in which direction was he seen moving last? So last, please see here. Last in which direction is moving? North. I have not drawn the diagram. Just by visualizing, just I am answering. Okay. Now fourth one. If you want to draw the diagram, you can draw. Then fourth one. In 5 years, 5,000 rupees becomes 9,000 rupees. In the same rate, at what time 600 becomes 900? So see here what is given. 5,000 principal becomes 9,000 rupees. Okay. It is the principal. It is total amount. So what is the interest? Interest is how much? 4,000 or not? 5,000 becomes 4,000. In how many years? 5 years. So in 5 years, what is the interest paid? 4,000. So for 1 year, how much? For 5 years, interest 4,000 means for 1 year, how much? 800. 1 year interest is 800 on how much? The principal 5,000 on the principal 5,000. So 800 is what percentage of 5,000? Otherwise, see, otherwise what I am doing is, where is that? Where is it? For 8,000 principal, for 1 year, how much is the interest? For 5,000 principal, how much is the interest? How much is the interest? 800. Okay. If 100 is the principal, then what would be the interest for 1 year? 5,000 becomes 100, means divide by 50. This 800 also divide by 50. Divide by 50. How much? Will become 16. How much? So the rate of interest is how much? 16%. How much? 16%. Yes or no? For 100, how much principal? How much interest per year? For 100 principal, for 1 year, how much interest is called rate of interest? For 5,000, 4,000 is the interest for 5 years. For 1 year, 800. So rate of interest is how much? 16%. Rate of interest is 16%. Now the question is 600 becomes 900. 600 becomes 900 in how many years? 600 becomes 900 in how many years? At the same rate. Please tell me. 600 principal becomes 900 in how many years? So what is the interest here? 600 becomes 900 means 900 or 960. It is given 900, na? 600 becomes 900 means you are paying an interest of how much? 300. So interest is equal to P T R by 100. So 300 ones are 300 twos are. Yes or no? Now 250s are. So it would be 50 by 60. T is equal to 50 by 16, which is 25 by 8 years. 25 by 8 years. So 3 point something. So 3 point something, answer very close to 3. But it is a actually wrong question. Okay. Because the exact option is not there. Exact option is not there. Question number 5. Complete the sequence. 1, 5, 13, 25, 41, 61, next term. So what is the logic here? Tell me. It's an easy question. Tell me. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 12 is 25. 25 plus 16 is 41. 41 plus 20 is 61. So if you observe here, the difference is increased by 4. Next difference has to be 24. 61 plus 24, how much? How much? 85. 85. Now question number 6. Now question number 6, 7, 8, 9. Please answer. 5 minutes. Question number 6, 7, 8, 9. Question number 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 minutes. All of you involved in answering. Question number 6, 7, 8, and 9. So question number 6, ONE is coded as 231. FIVE is coded as 9641. Then what is the code for N? NINE. N means how much? 3. N means 3. I means how much? 9. Again, N means 3. E means 1. So 3631. 3631. Then seventh question. Tell me PNLJ is 2468. Nah? Yes or no? 2468. Then QOKL would be how much? QOKL would be how much? PNLJ is 2468. Then what is QOKL? What is the logic here? Tell me quick. PNLJ is 2468. Then QOKL is how much? Huh? Tell me, anyone in the online? Please do answer. So what you are going to get now, tell me. PNLJ. PNLJ is 2468. 2468. So what is happening here? So from backward it is coming. So Q will become 1. O will become how much? 3. Q is 1. P is 2. P is 2. Are you following? So then O would be how much? 3. And K would be how much? 7. L would be how much? 6. So 1376. 1376 is the answer. So option B. Option B is the answer. Next one, question number 8. Question number 8. It's also easy question. Please do answer. Five students are standing one behind the other in a playground, facing the instructor. Malini is behind Anjana. Malini is behind Anjana. So Malini is behind Anjana. Yes or no? Malini is behind Anjana, but in front of Gayatri. Okay. Next, Meena is in front of Sheena. But behind Gayatri. So Meena is behind Gayatri, but Meena, this is Meena. Meena is what? Meena is behind Gayatri, but in front of Sheena. So this is the arrangement or not? So Anjana, Malini, Gayatri, Meena and Sheena. Now if you see here, what is the position of Meena? The position of Meena is which one? Second from right. So option is D. Then ninth question. A watch is read 4:30. Okay. If the minute's hand shows the east direction, then the hour hand shows which direction? Tell me. Are you sure? Please see here. This is a clock, right? Time is 4:30. 4:30. What is given here? The minute's hand shows the east direction. So this is east, as it is given as this is east. This is east or not? Actually, this is east. For us, actually, this is east. But it is east. So a direction is how it is coded. This is a direction is coded to its previous main direction. Yes or no? 90 degrees. From here to here, how much minus? Minus 90 or not? Yes or no? This is becoming this. South. This is actually south. South has become east. South has become east means what? Minus 90 degrees. Similarly, it is actually what? It is actually southeast. So it has to be reduced by 90 degrees. So finally, this has to be coded as this direction. This direction is what? Northeast. So this would be what? Northeast. Are you following or not? If it is east, it is northeast. If it is east, it is northeast. So this would be northeast. So answer would be D. So see, actually south is the minute hand shows south, but south is coded as east. So what is the coding applied here? Minus 90 degrees. Similarly, our hand is towards northeast, northwest, southeast. Our hand actually shows this direction, southeast, but the answer has to be minus 90 degrees. Minus 90 degrees to southeast means what? Northeast. So answer will be northeast. If it is east, it will be northeast. Okay. Is it clear? Next, question number 10. From the given alternatives, select the word which cannot be formed by using the letters of the word CUMERSOME, which cannot be formed. MERCY, mercy cannot be formed because Y is not there. Yes or no? Very clearly it is observable. So in 10th one, option D, Y is not there. Which cannot be formed is asked. Which cannot be formed? MERCY cannot be formed because Y is not there in the given word. So,
Excuse me, sir.
okay, sober also cannot be formed, na? Sober also cannot be formed. Okay, S-O-B, select the word which cannot be formed using the letter of the word, right? So is there anything else? R-O-M-E, M-O-U-S-E, they can be formed. So there are two answers here. Yes or no? It's very clearly S-O-B-E-R, very clearly M-E-R-S-Y, C-Y. Now question number 11. So 10th one, you have two options. Okay, both B and D. In your exam, you don't get like that mostly. Question number 11. Question number 11. Name a single letter which can be prefixed to the following words in order to obtain entirely new words. Entirely new words. Name till, table, pile, tile, tab, spring. So when you use S, you will get all different words or not. Still, stable, spile, stab, spring. All meaningful different words you are going to get. So answer is option A. Option A. Next. Please answer 12 to 16. 12th one. 12th one. Please do answer. Twelfth one, what is the logic? Tell me, Santosh. What is the answer, Santosh? See, here you have 8 in the middle. Here you have 2. Here you have 137. Here you have question mark. You required, okay. And it is 17. Okay. Now please see here. Observe here. 2 into 8, how much? 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 into 8, 136. Plus 1, 137. Now, how much you get this one? 137 into 8 plus 1. Yes or no? This into this plus 1 is this one. This into this plus 1 is this one. So this into this plus 1 is this one. 137 into 8 plus 1. 137 into 8 plus 1, how much? 1097. 1097. So option is C. Okay, so I am writing here 2 into 8 plus 1 is 7, 17. 17 into 8 plus 1 is 137. Similarly, the answer has to be 137 into 8 plus 1, which is 1097. 1097. Now question number 12 is over. 13. 13, please find the answer. 13 is an easy question. It's a very easy question. See here, 14 plus 12. 14 plus 12, 26. 26 plus 3, 29. 29 plus 7 is 36. The middle value is sum of all the surrounding values. Similarly here, 9 plus 11, 20. 20 plus 16, 36. 36 plus 18 is 54. So answer is 18. Now please answer question number 14. Please answer question number 14. 14, what is the answer? Question number 14, what is the answer? Please tell me quick. What is the answer? 12. How? See here, 3 into 4 is how much? 12. So here 2 into 6 is 12. So this 1 into how much would be 12? 1 into 12. 1 into 12. So answer is 12. Next. Definitely will get one question based on missing character. In our class, we solved almost 70-80 questions on that day when I was teaching basics. Question number 15. 321.7. It's an easy question. 4 missing term, 3, 268. Simply 3 sevens are 21. 4 threes are 12. 2 eights are 16. So answer is 12. Now please see 16th one. 16th one, please do answer. What is the answer? Very easy question. Easy question. Very easy question. What is the answer? Answer. Somebody might have already answered in the. I will check. Nobody answered. Huh? Why you like 50? Good. So if you see here, 4, 325. This is 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9, 25. Similarly, this is 9 square, 81 plus 11 square, 121. So this answer has to be 1 square plus 7 square. 49 plus 1, 50 is the answer. Right? Now please answer question number 17. Please answer question number 17. Sunita rode her scooty northwards, then turned left and again rode her left 4 kilometers. She found herself exactly 2 kilometers west of her starting point. How far did she ride northwards initially? So what is the answer? Just keep your pen on paper. You'll get it very comfortably. Very easy question. Huh? That's it. Sunita rode her scooty northwards. Okay. So I'm just drawing to make you clear. Northwards, she has started. Okay. And has driven some distance. Then turned left. The person who is going in north, turn left means towards west. Towards west. Okay. Then turn left and then again rode her left 4 kilometers. Then turn left means now where? Here. Here how many kilometers? 4 kilometers. Now she found herself exactly 2 kilometers west of her starting point. So this is starting point. Now she is here. So it is observed that she is 2 kilometers to the west of starting point. So finally in the north direction, how much has she traveled is the question. So these two are equal or not? When these two are equal, obviously this length and this length also equal. So it will be how much? 4 kilometers. So answer is 4 kilometers. How far did she ride northward initially? The answer is 4 kilometers. 17th one, option B. Then 18th one. Please answer 18th one. Pinky was at a distance of 600 meters towards east. Turns left and moves 500 meters. Then turns left and walks 600 meters. And then turns left and again moved 500 meters and halts. At what distance in meters is she from the starting point? From the starting point. So what is the answer? Finally, she is the starting point. Yes or no? Please see here. If you want to draw the diagram, you can draw. Okay, I will show because if I again give you a new technique at the ending moment, it won't be good. Pinky walks a distance of 600 meters towards east. Towards east. Okay. Towards east, how many meters? 600 meters. Then turns left. A person walking east turning left means where? Northwards. How much? 500 meters. Then again turns left and walks 600 meters. Okay. Now again turning left means here meeting traveling 500 meter. So finally she is reaching this point, which is the starting point. So at what distance in meters is she from starting point? 0, because she is finally at the starting point only. So the answer is 0. Answer is 0. Okay. Next, question number 19. Question number 19. MANPDQ. WAN, what would be next? So if you see here, M is what? M is 13. P is 16. Yes or no? 13 plus 3. W plus 3. 23 plus 3 is Z. AN same is there. So same code will come. DQ. ZDQ. For AN you have DQ here. Here also for AN you will get DQ. M you got P means plus 3 coding is there. Same coding has to be applied. W is 23. 23 plus 3 is 26. 26 means Z. So ZDQ. Option A. Now please find the answer for last question. Question number 20 in the speed test 2. After this we will do speed test 3. Identify the diagram. Identify the diagram that best represent relationship among the classes given below. Animals, land animals, and sea animals. Option B. So, see, some land animals are sea animals. Some land animals are sea animals. All these land animals and sea animals are animals. So, some land animals are sea animals. All these are what? Part of animals. So, the option C is correct. Option C is correct. Yes or no? It is like this. Some land animals are sea animals. All these are animals. So option C is correct. Now speed test 3. Answer quickly. Jaldi answer karna. Quick. Now almost all questions you find based on coding, I think. No. Alphabet test. And coding. Quick. Speed test 3. Speed test 3. Please do answer. First 5 questions. Do answer in 5 minutes. First 5 questions of your speed test 3. Answer in 5 minutes. Those who are in the online, reply answers. Reply answers in the chat box quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 questions. Speed test 3. So what is the answer for first question? How many such pairs of letters are there in the word chariot, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as English alphabet? English alphabet, sorry. I'm taking English. English is there. I've taken the word English. English alphabets में दो वर्ड्स, दो लेटर्स के बीच में जितने लेटर्स हैं, ऐसे ही यहाँ पे ऐसे पेयर्स कितने हैं? How many such pairs of letters are there in the word chariot? If you see here, between C and H, we have 4 letters D, E, F, G. So C and H is not the answer. C and H is not the answer, but C and A is the answer, because between A and C we have B, 1 letter. Here also we have 1. Yes or no? So here between A and C, actually in the dictionary you have only 1. Here also you have only 1. Like that, how many pairs are there? I think no other pair are there. R, S, T. No. No, only 1 pair. Only 1 pair is there. That is A and C. A and C. Between them you have B in the alphabets. Here you have H. Now second question. Second question. What should come next in the following number series? Please do answer. What has to come next in the following number series? Why? 6 double 8, then 6 double 8. Then where else you have 6 double 8? Anywhere? See here, you have 6 double 8. After that you have 686. 6 double 8. After that you have 686. After that you must have 6 double 8. 6. Are you following or not? 6 double 8, 686, 6 double 8, 686. After that you should find 6 double 8. So means you have 6 8. After that it has to be 8. Clear? Next, question number 3. CF is related to HK. In the same way, MP is related to what? So C is 3, H is 8. So plus 5 or not? Plus 5. M is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 means R. P is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So RU. RU is the answer. Logic is plus 5. Logic is what? Plus 5. CF plus 5 is HK. MP plus 5 is RU. So third one, option B or C. F is how much? 6 na? So answer is RU. Answer is RU. What happened? Right. Now please do answer fourth one. Fourth one is an easy question. You have UNDER as 6152 at the rate and DEAF as 52#7. Okay. Then what is the code for fraud? FRAUD. What is the code for fraud? F means 7. F means 7. R means at the rate. 7 at the rate. 2 options are starting. After that, A. A means hash. So how many options start with 7 at the rate hash? Only 1. Only 1. That's the reason I stop here and check and verify. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Okay. Next, fifth one. Fifth one. How many such pairs of digits are there in the number 367? Please tell me 367 2 25918. Each of which has as many digits between them in the number when the digits are arranged in the descending order. So highest first, lowest last. So how you can rearrange them in the descending order? In the descending order, I can write them as 9876 5321 5321. Now the question is what? What is the question asked now? What is the question asked? How many such pairs of digits are there in the number, each of which has as many digits between them in the number as when the digits are arranged in the descending order. So when the numbers are, so in this and in this, between two numbers, the same number of digits have to be there. Where you can find? So here 6 and 7 are adjacent. Here also 6 and 7 are adjacent. And see here 9 and 3. 9 and 3. Here 9 and 3. Yes or no? 9 and 3 also having same number of gap here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. And anything else you could find? 5 and 7 now. 5 and 7. Yes or no? 5 and 7 here. 5 and 7 here also. Anything else? I don't find anything else. Anything else? Yes. What is that? Between 8 and 5. How many? 2. Between 8 and 5. How many? 2. So in total you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4. Answer is 4. More than 3. More than 3. Yes or no? Now question number 6. Is it clear? Question number 6. The positions of how many digits will remain same if the digits in the number 86217945 are rearranged in the ascending order. When they are arranged in the ascending means increasing order. क्या होता है? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits will not change their positions? So I think all have changed the position. Yes or no? There is no number which has not changed. So answer is none. Answer is none. No number in the same position. कोई भी number वही position में नहीं है जहां पे इसमें है. Yes or no? Question number 7. In a certain code, flower is written as EKNVDQ. So what is the logic here? -1 or not? Yes or no? F is 6, E is 5, L is 12, K is 11, O is 15, N is 14. So simply -1 throughout. Now you need not check with S because you have two options. S -1 how much? S -1 how much? R. So RTOQ. So RTO are common. RTO must be there. You have to check for fourth one. Fourth one is what? R. R -1 is Q. So it is RTOQ. So answer is option D. Option D. Now question number 8. Question number 8. At the rate means into. Copyright means division. Percentile means plus. Dollar means minus. Then what you require? Tell me. 6 percentile. Percentile means what? Plus na? Yes or no? Percentile means plus. 6 plus 12. Copyright symbol means division. 3. At the rate means into. $8 means minus 3. So now you have to apply Bodmas rule here. So first you need to do division, then multiplication, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay. First I am doing division. 12 by 3. How much? 4. Yes or no? 4 into 8, how much? 32. So this value is 32. 32 plus 6. 38 minus 3. 35 is the answer. So answer is 35. Answer is 35. Apply board mass. First apply division, then multiplication, then addition. Questions we're discussing today. Definitely you have few questions in the PGCET exam day after tomorrow. Ninth question. Ninth question. Please answer ninth question. Ninth question is a easy one. Ninth question is a easy one. Please do answer. MOUSE is written as PRUQC. Then SHIFT. What is the code? What is the code? So what is the observation here? M is actually what? 13. P is how much? 16 or not? 13 plus 3 or not? So SC is 19. 19 plus 3, 22. 22 means V. All options begin with V. Now O is 15. R is 18 plus 3. H is 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 means K. So how many options? Two options. VKI is definite. And here SC is SC is how much? 19. Q is 17 minus 2. S is 19. Q is 17 minus 2. F is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 means D. VKID. That is option B. Option B is the answer. Okay. You need not check for the last one. Question number 10th one. Question number 10th one. How many meaningful English words can be formed with the letters OEHM using each letter only once? What is the answer? I can form home. I could not see any other word. HOME. Yes or no? Only one letter. Only one word. Only one word. HOME. Home. That's it. Now question number 11. Answer please. Question number 11. Answer please. Quick. Among A, B, C, D, E, each scoring different marks in a test. C scored more than D, but not as much as E. So what does it mean? E scored more than C. C scored more than D. Yes or no? Yes or no? E scored more than A. Who scored less than B? E scored more than A. Who scored less than B? A less than B. A less than B. And E is greater than A. Am I correct here? What is given here? C scored more than D. C scored more than D, but not as much as A, as much as E. So E is definitely more than C or not. So now what you can say? E scored more than A. E is more than A. E is more than A. E scored more than A. Who scored less than B? Who scored less than B? A. Now the question is, who did score third highest marks? Who is the third highest marks here? Data inadequate. Because see, between E greater than C greater than D. Okay. But here E greater than A means whether A will come here or here is not known. Are you following or not? Here data is inadequate. That's why the option is there. You are given the option data inadequate. You cannot say the answer. Based on the given data, you cannot say who is taller, who is highest, who is smallest. Yes or no? E is greater than C, C is greater than D, E is greater than A also. Okay. Definitely you can say who is greatest. Who is greatest means who can say E. But who is smallest means you cannot say. Yes or no? Question number 12. Please answer question number 12. Question based on directions. A walked 5 meters towards north. North 5 meter gaya. Took a left turn. Whoever is walking north, taking left turn means moving east. Moving east and walk 20 meters. Whoever is moving in east, again took a right turn. Moving in east, took a right turn means he is moving how much? He is moving towards south or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? A person walked 5 meters towards north. Okay. Then took a left turn. Person moving north took a left turn means east or west? It is west now. It is wrong. It is wrong. A person walking north took a left turn. So he is moving towards west. How much? 20. Then those who is moving towards west again took right turn. जो वेस्ट में जा रहा है राइट टर्न लिया तो फिर नॉर्थ को गया. Again he walked how many? 10 meters. How far is he from the starting point? From the starting point. So what is the answer? So see here, he will be in the northwest. He will be in the, because here it is n plus n, how much? Both are n. Northwest 15, 20. Thereby it is root over 15 square plus 20 square. This much from beginning. In the northwest direction is, if you want me to answer by drawing, I can draw. If I draw also, I will get what? Northwest only. Without drawing like this, north is there, west is there. So final direction is northwest. It is a shortcut. If you want to do, so it is like this. एक person north में 5 गया, वहां से फिर left मुड़ा, तो कितना? How much? 20. यहां से फिर right लिया, कितना? 10. Okay, 10. This is 10 from here. Okay, so finally this is the starting position. This is the final position. So this final position is what direction with respect to initial? Northwest. This is the shortcut way of solving the questions. If you know it, it's fine. Otherwise, you can draw a diagram. Okay. So what is the answer here? None of this. The answer is actually root over 15 square plus 20 square. 400 plus 400 plus 25. 625. 625 under root is how much? 25. It is there na? It is there or not? In the options you have. It is not asked for direction. वो direction नहीं पूछ रहा, वो distance पूछ रहा ना. Distance already आपके पास है कितना? कितना? 25. You have not. When same direction is there, you have to add. When opposite directions are there, you have to subtract. Here you have same direction. What? North. So I am adding both. 5 plus 10, 15. West 20. When north and west is coming, you have to take what? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, 15 square plus 20 square under root. So you will get. Otherwise, you can do the normal procedure. If you solve the normal procedure also, you will get. See here, what is the normal procedure? Normal procedure, tell me what you will do. A person starting from this point, he is moving how much? 5 meters to north, then turning left, and moving 20 meters, and then again turning right and moving to 10 meters. Okay, so now the question is, this distance is how much? Yes or no? Now if you see here, is this a right angle triangle or not? This is a right angle triangle. Whereas this is 15, this is 20. Yes or no? This is 15, this is 20. So this one would be root over 20 square plus 15 square. This is 625 under root, which is 25. Without doing all these things, it is a shortcut. If you know, you apply this. Otherwise, follow the regular procedure, because there is no time for you, because in a couple of days you have exam. 13th one. 13th one, what is the answer? The positions of the first and eighth digits of the number. What is the number here? Tell me. 5, 6, 4, 8, 7, 9, 3, 1. The positions of the first and eighth digits of the number 5, 6, 4, 8, 7, 9, 3, 1 are interchanged. So first and eighth. So 3, 3, 6. First and eighth means first and last. So 1 is coming here, 5 is going here. Similarly, the positions of the second and seventh are interchanged, and so on. Which of the following will be fifth digit from the right end, from the after the rearrangement? So what will happen? This 5, 6, 4, 8. This 5, 6, 4, 8 will become like this. Yes or no? And this 7, 9, 3, 1 will become like this. Yes or no? Now he is asked for which of the following will be fifth digit from the right end. So what is the answer here? 7. Answer is 7. Answer is 7. Am I correct or not? Which of the following will be the fifth digit from the right end after the rearrangement? After the, sorry. Here we have not rearranged. We did mistake, man, because first what happened? First here what he said? First this 1 has come here, 5 has gone here. 1 is here, 5 is here. Then they are rearranged. Are you following or not? First what he said, the positions of first and eighth are rearranged. Sorry. No. Am I correct or not? What would it is correct? 5, 6, 4, 8, 7, 9, 3, 1. Okay. So the positions of the first and eighth, these are rearranged. These are rearranged. These are rearranged. These are rearranged. So you will get 1, 5, 6, 3, then 4, 9, 7, 8. Yes or no? Now it is asked for what? Which of the following will be fifth digit from the right end? What is the fifth digit from right end? It is 7 only. We are correct only, right? Yes or no? The answer is 7. Answer is 7. 13th one, answer is 7. After rearrangement, the next 14th one. What should come? What should come next in the following letter series? Please answer question number 14. A, C, F, H, K, M, P, R, E, W. So if you see plus 2, plus 3, plus 2, plus 3, plus 2, plus 3, plus 2, plus 3, plus 2, plus 3. W is 23. 23 plus 3 is 26. 26 means Z. You have to get Z. The logic is plus 2 plus 3 in the sequence. The logic is plus 2 plus 3. Now question number 15. Question number 15. What is the answer? Each vowel in the word drawn is changed to next letter in English alphabet, and each consonant is changed to the previous letter in the English alphabet. Then the letters so arrived are arranged in alphabetical order. Which of the following will be the second from the left end? Second from the left end in a new arrangement. So a vowel has to be, each vowel is changed to the next letter and consonant previous letter. So D becomes what? E or not? Are you following or not? D-R-O-W-N-E-D. What it will become? Each vowel is changed to next letter and each consonant is changed to previous letter. So consonant is D-R. So previous letter means what? It becomes C or not? C. Q. O becomes P. W becomes V. N becomes W becomes V. N becomes M. N becomes M. Next, E becomes vowel. F. E becomes F. D becomes C. Now we have to arrange these in the alphabetical order. It is given that the arrangement so arrived has to be arranged in the alphabetical order. So what will you get? C, C, F. Yes or no? C, C, F. After that, you have to do Q. No, M, M. M, P, Q. M, P, Q, V. Yes or no? C, C, F, M, P, Q, V. This is the arrangement. Now, it is asked for which of the following will be second from the left. What is second from the left? Second from left. Second from left. Second from left is C. Answer is C. Answer is C. Now question number 16. Pointing to a girl, Mr. Suraj said, Mr. Suraj said, she is the only daughter of my father's son-in-law. She is the only father of my father's son-in-law. So how is the girl related to Suraj? Niece. Yes or no? She is the only only daughter of my father's son-in-law means my father's son-in-law means my brother-in-law. My brother-in-law means my sister's husband. So the girl is the daughter of her sister, his sister. So sister's daughter is called niece. Sister's daughter is called niece. So answer is niece. Answer is niece. Next 17th question. Sneha correctly remembers that her father's birthday is before 16th June, but after 11th. So it can be any of 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes or no? Whereas her younger brother correctly remembers that her father's birthday is after 13 June. After 13 June means it is not 12. It is not 13. It can be 14 or 15. Before 18. And her elder brother correctly remembers that their father's birthday is on the event date. So it is not 15. So what is the answer? 14. Yes or no? So answer is 14. Answer is 14. 14. So none of this is the answer. It cannot be 14 or 16 because there is no option 16 in the answer. Okay, 16 should not be the choice because any of the 12, 13, 14, 15 has to be the birthday as per first one, and the person is correct. Okay, so the question of 16 should not come. Okay, so the answer is 14. 14 is not there in the option, so answer is none of this. Question number 18. Question number 18. How many such digits are there? Such digits are there in the number. Please tell me number 37152869 each of which is as far away from the beginning of the number as when the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number. So these have to be arranged in the ascending order. Please tell me what will happen. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now what is the question asked here? How many such digits are there in a number, each of which is as far away from the beginning of the number as when the digits are arranged in the ascending order. So if you see here 3 and 1, 1 and 3, yes or no? And 3 and 5, sorry, no. 3 and 5, is it satisfied? How many such digits are there in the number? Wait. How many such digits are there in the number as far away from the beginning of the number? So this is wrong. This is wrong. 3, 7. So what is the answer here? Tell me. So if you see here from beginning of number, 9 is same for. Are you observing here? From the beginning of number, 9 is how far? Here also from beginning of number, 9 is that far. Similarly, from beginning of number, 5 is how far here? Here also 5 is that much far. So only two. One is 5, the other is 9. Only 5 and 9 are that much far away from beginning. From beginning in both the arrangements. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. Now 19 and 20, you please answer. Last question is 36 answer. The remaining you answer. 19th one, what is the answer then? 20th one, very easy, right? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. 6 square means 36. 36 is the answer 20. Now what about 19? How many such pairs of letters are there in the word confirm, each of which has as many letters between them in English alphabets? So if you see here, do you find anything here or not? What are they? Please tell me. 19th one. You have to answer. Confirm. One is NO. NO, there is no gap. Here also no gap. And C, D, E, F. Yes or no? There are two such pairs. One is ON, the other is CF. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. Yes or no? One is CF, one pair. NO, other pair. Normally in the alphabetically also NO no gap. Here also no gap. Alphabetically C and letters D and E. Here are two gap. So like that, option is the answer is 2. Two space. Two such pairs. So answer is 2. I hope this session is useful to all of you. So prepare well for your PGCET exam. 20th one क्या होगा? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Next one is 6 square. Okay, done. We will again meet in the next session tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.